Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, creator of SelectorsHub. Okay, I would request you please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon if you haven't subscribed yet, because there are like a lot of amazing videos and tutorials coming in apart from this SelectorsHub tutorial, so you will not miss anything, and it will also, of course, it will help. Okay, so how to use SelectorsHub? After installing SelectorsHub, let's see now how can we use it and how to make the best use of SelectorsHub. So first we will see that as an XPath and selectors editor, how does auto attribute suggestion works in SelectorsHub. Okay, so suppose we have to here on test project website, suppose we have to write an XPath for any of these fields. So how we do that? So right click on this element, click on inspect, open SelectorsHub, and here again this page was not refreshed after installing SelectorsHub, so let me refresh. Now it will work fine. Okay, so here we have to write an XPath for platform field. Let's inspect this element. Okay, so this is here, and now we want to write our own XPath. So what we can do, start typing over here. You see that as soon as you start typing, and for now let's keep it off this one. So when you start typing over here, you see /A, you get the auto suggest like /A, and there are 130 matching nodes for your anchor tag. Select this one. The benefit of showing this number of matching nodes here is that you will not have to think, like suppose /A itself is getting like one matching node, so then you can use that XPath in your script if you want. Okay, then you, as soon as you start typing something else, you will get like in a smart editor, you will get auto suggestion here. Then you have @title is equal to platform. Whatever you want, you can use this, and unique one, of course, you will try to choose that one. So let's say this one you can choose, and this is how you can build your own XPath for any field you want to like any of these field you want to write. You just inspect that and you start typing over here, and this, see how quickly you can build the XPath for your how quickly you can build your own XPath, and you need not to waste any more time over here. You can start typing cssSelector, you will get that cssSelector option over here. You see that? So you get all those options like XPath, cssSelector, and all possible attribute combinations, functions you will get in the drop down in the auto suggest. Okay, so this is how you can write your own XPath and using SelectorsHub as editor. It's very simple and very easy to use as XPath and selectors generator. So suppose you want to use it as a generator as well, like at the same time as an editor. So what you can do, you just turn on this one, generate selector mode, and here you will see that all possible selectors it will show for your inspected element. So this is, here it is showing all possible selectors, you can see that. And you will have to scroll here, you will get JS path, absolute XPath, tag name, and along with their occurrences it shows. So this is very helpful, like whichever element, for whichever element you want, you just inspect that element, you will get all possible selectors over here. And the good thing is, like if you are writing in JavaScript framework, or you are writing web automation for using JS libraries, then you can directly use in web development as well. You can use this document.query selector directly, like JS path, which is very optimized and good to good for your script. Here you have this relative XPath, and you can compare like any of these XPath or selectors. You can compare with any of the tool out there. You will get the best optimized XPath from the SelectorsHub. And even the value, if you right click and copy these values, you will get better selectors over here. And of course you can build at the same time. Here is a tip, you click on this copy icon or anywhere in here on this header, your value will be copied, this value. And if you want to edit this value or you want to change or verify anything, you click on this, it will copy paste in the edit box. So that will also saves your time and effort, you will not have to waste anything. So this is how it can like you can generate and edit your XPath through SelectorsHub. Good thing, like you can customize SelectorsHub view and UI. Like if you doesn't want this generator mode, you can turn it off. If you want, you can turn it on. And whichever mode you will be keeping it, like next time when you will open SelectorsHub, it will open with your view. like you will not have to set the view again and again, like what we have turned off last time, it will come with that one. So this is helpful. If you want, you can turn it on. Okay, then how to write XPath with access in SelectorsHub. This is really important, and everybody wants to write XPath with access. Suppose we have to write XPath for docs with respect to platform. So what we will do, we will first we will have to write XPath for platform, then we will find the common parent for both elements, and then we will write the XPath for docs. Okay, so first we will write for platform, inspect that platform, start typing over here a, then at the rate, let's say title platform, we have written for platform, then we will find the common parent for both the elements. This UL is the common parent for both the elements. Okay, so you start just type / and here ancestor, it is ancestor this one, and if you like start typing like ancestor an, it will show you all possible ancestors as well. So now we got the parent XPath. We have to write XPath for docs, just inspect docs now and / a, and then at the rate title docs. This is how we can build quickly XPath with access without wasting any time. And now if you want with blog, like XPath for blog with respect to platform, you can just change this docs to blog, it will be done. So this is how it's very quickly. Okay, so that's all about how we can use as an editor and generator. In the next tutorial we will see how can we handle how SelectorsHub helps in handling the errors of selectors. Thank you.